inside of a complicated jail cell. Yeah, it got me thinking. It got me thinking of my ancestors. You see, we were inside the big house, but not close enough to sit comfortably at the table where fables of birds and beasts debated over power of creed, only to feed themselves full. Knowing that those that stood outside nocturnal to the night were unafraid of being called bats, as long as they stuck together. Listen closely, this gets real political. Man turns birds into beast, where geese sinks its teeth into chicken until chicken runs scared like hair that disappears into a hole like mouse trapped as neck snaps of its own trap, as chicken wings no longer flap, out of breath, headless, hopeless. I cope best with less stress compressed to my chest, for beneath my skin my blood runs red just like you, and you, and you, and you. So why do I feel like I'm being colour washed? Why do I feel like I'm being colour washed? I said, why do I feel like I'm being colour washed? Oh, it's me. Oh, it's you. Like neighbours. Together. Why?